you need to permutations and combinations. Okay, first in this first module, fundamental principle of counting. So we have 2.1 fundamental principle of counting. So here we have two rules, Nana, product rule and sum rule. How do we use product rule? When do we use product rule and when do we use sum rule? The product rule, when the procedure is broken into two tasks. So if we have a procedure and that procedure is broken into two tasks, let T1 be one task and T2 be the other task. Let our procedure has been divided into two tasks. Let T1 have N1 ways to solve and T2 have N2 ways to solve. Okay. So, if this has N1 ways, so let's just say 1, 2, 3 and so on up to N1. And this also 1, 2, 3 and so on up to N2. So the possible ways, total procedure to complete the possible ways is N1 into N2. So how do we write this is? So 1 T1 task and T2 task and 1 with 2, 1 with 3 and so on 1 with N2. So similarly second with 1, second with second, second with third and so on, second with N2 and so on. We have N1 1, N2 2, N2 3, N1 N2. So these are the possible ways to complete our task. So total how many ways we have is N1 into N2 ways. Simply we say it is a product rule. Okay. Like if you are saying let the outcome be, let the outcome is I comma j. If you are saying like this outcome is I comma j. So we say that task 1, this is a task 1 and this is a task 2. So in task 1, ith position and in task 2, jth position gives you the outcome result. Is it clear? Now is the product rule clear? See, once again, Nana, see, product rule is simply if the task is divided into two ways, we have two different ways to solve the task. And each way is having n1 ways to solve, and T2 task is having n2 ways to solve. So total how much way we can solve our procedure is n1 into n2. Okay, if you are getting confused about writing 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, if you are having doubt on this, forget about that. Okay. See, we have leave it. How did we write this? You just leave it. So if I'm saying a procedure is broken into two tasks, so task one have n1 ways to complete and task two having n2 ways to complete. So total how many ways we can solve this task is the product rule, that is n1 into n2. Monica, is it clear at least right now? Right? So that is enough. So forget about this table. How did we get? How did we write? Forget about that. So product rule says that we have to complete the task into n1 into n2. Fine. We will see an example. Okay. See, it was given that a small community consists of 10 women. So, in a community, so we have 10 women in a community. Right? So, let me write here, we have 10 women in our community. Right? Each of whom has 3 children. So, each woman is having 3 children. 1, 2 and 3. So if one woman and one of her child are to be chosen as mother and child of the year. So we have to choose mother and one of her child. Right? So how many different possible ways we can solve? See, Nana, is the question clear? Please listen carefully. The problems are all been solved like this only. Right? See, given that we have in a community we have 10 women and every woman is having 3 children. And if one woman and one of her child, not any other child, the mother and the child belongs to same. So how many different choices are possible? So how do we solve this is, so how many women we have? No, we have here 10 women. So we have 10 possible chances to select one. Right? Okay. And how many children we are having for a woman? For a woman we have 3 children and into any of one. So the 3 have a chance. So total 10 into 3 which is equal to 30. So in this way we apply product rule. Now is it clear? In the same way we extend product rule, extending product rule not with 2, with many. So extended product rule. The formula is here we have only 2 ways. If we say I have 3 ways and each way has n1 ways, task 1 has n1 ways, task 2 have n3 ways and task 3 has So let me write. So a processor is divided into three tasks, T1, T2 and T3. And T1 have N1 ways, T2 have N2 ways and T3 have N3 ways. So the product will become N1 into N2 into N3. And if you have N, so many. So extended only not for 2, not for 3, not for 4 and so on. How many we have variables, that many, right? So let's say NX. So we see an example for that also. Now see the example, Anna. And engineering college planning committee consists of 3 first year students, 4 second year students, 5 pre-final year students and 2 final year students. Okay, so we have first year, second year, pre-final year and final year. So total we have 4 categories. A subcommittee of 4, a subcommittee of 4 consisting of one person from each class is to be chosen. So what we have to find is we have to make a committee, subcommittee. In the subcommittee, how many people we should have is 4 members. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So these 4 should consist one person from each class. So let's say that let this be first year, let this be second year, let this be pre-final year and let this be final year. Okay, so how many students we are having for the first year? 3. So all the 3, to select one, all the 3 are eligible. So we have how many possible ways to select first year is 3 members. And to select second year, 4 members. And to select pre-final, 5 members. And to select final, we have 2. Right? So 3 into 4 into 5 into 2. So we have 120 possible ways to select. A subcommittee consists of 4 persons from each class. Right? And is it clear? ST class, is it clear? So let's see one more example for the same problem, for the same multiple product rule. Okay. See how many different 7 license plates are possible. So our license plate consists of how many letters? Means what is the answer? How many different seven plates? So how many places we are having in a license means we have seven places to create a license plate. One, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. Nana, is it clear? We have to create seven place license plate, right? Okay, are possible if first three places are to be occupied by letter. So this is should be occupied by letters first three places, right? And later four by the number. So next we have numbers. So how many letters we are having? Three letters ante alphabets letters. So we are having how many letters? Letters means please do remember seven. Neha, letters. Okay, so we are having 26 letters. And how many numbers? How many numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So totally how many numbers we are having? 8. 9 or 10? With 0 also, right? So we are having 10 numbers. Okay. So the license numbers ఎలా ఉంటాయి A, B, C, something like that, right? So means we have to see whether the letters are repeated and also the numbers whatever we are having here are they all are repeated or not repeated. We have to see. So license plate, all the numbers and letters are repeated. So the first place, how many possible chances will be having for the first place? For this place, how many possible? 26, right? So here 26, here can also be repeated. We call this as repeated. Why? Because we all are having same numbers and same digits also will be repeated. So here the second place, how many chances we will be having? To here is given repetition among letters or numbers with prohibited. Prohibited ante no chance of repetition. కానీ వాడు ఆన్సర్ లో వేర్ prohibited. నేను విత్ రిపిటేషన్ చెప్తాను, వితౌట్ రిపిటేషన్ చెప్తాను. యాక్చువల్లీ వాడేమో విత్ రిపిటేషన్ తీసుకున్నాడు. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ వి సే ఇట్ ఈస్ వితౌట్ రిపిటేషన్ నెవర్ మైండ్. ఓకే, సో 26 లో ఇక్కడ ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో ఒక లెటర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ద నెక్స్ట్ హౌ మెనీ ఛాన్సెస్ విల్ బి రిమైనింగ్? 26 minus 1, right? So we have here 25 and the next 25 minus 1. So we have 24. Okay, right. So 26 into 25 into 24. Now coming to the letters. So all how many we are having? Like 10 numbers. So the fourth we have a chance of collecting 10. And the next position 9. Next position 8. Next position 9. So in this way we try to solve. So 9, 8 and 7. So the answer becomes 26. Usha, is it clear right now? 26 into 25 into 24 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Right? 1500. Sorry, 15,600. Okay, is everyone clear? A 15,600 correct అయిన ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయనా 26 24 10 9 8 7 ఒకసారి మల్టిప్లై చేసి చెప్పండి రైట్ రైట్ సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 7 lakh 86,2400 right. Okay, 7 8 6 2 4 my god 24 1 2 and 3. Okay. See, this is without repetition. If I say the repetition is allowed, is not prohibited, how do we get then? 26 into 26 into 26, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, right? So I think something you get the answer for this. Okay, Chandrika, something doubt? Okay, 17. Okay. Let me copy this answer. Okay, right. So the answer is one seven five seven six zero and 5. Okay, Nana, is it clear for everyone? Okay, now we go with the sum rule. Sum. The product rule we said that divided into two ways, right? So here also a task is divided into either in one of n1 ways or one of n2 ways. Okay, means we can do in n1 ways or in n2 ways. So this we say that the total procedure can be done in n1 plus n2. Nana union and intersection elago and or alaga. Okay, so ikkada kuda we can solve. We will see an example and it will be very clear. Okay. See, suppose there are 6 male professors and 3 female professors. Okay, so let's say in some college there are 6 male and 3 female. So in how many ways a student can choose a calculus professor? We need to choose one professor. 9. Ella, how did you get 9? Okay. 6 plus 3, because we have to choose only some rule, right? We have to choose only one professor. In one professor, all the 6 male and 3 female, total we are having 9 professors. So total we have a chance of getting 9 or simply 6 plus 3 also we can say. The same we can go with the extended sum rule. So here we have 2 ways. The next we can say 3 ways, 4 ways, 5 ways and so on. Extended sum rule. So we say n1 plus n2 plus n3 and so on plus nn. So we'll see example. పిల్లల ఫోన్ చేసినాడు పెద్ద కోవిడ్ టెస్ట్ చేపించుకుంటే నెగిటివ్ వచ్చిందంట పెద్ద నాన్న కోవిడ్ టెస్ట్ చేపించుకుంటే నెగిటివ్ వచ్చిందంట కరోనా టెస్ట్ చేపించుకుంటే నెగిటివ్ లేదని వచ్చిందంట. Okay, the extended sum rule. A student can choose a computer project from one of the three. The three list contains, so we have to choose a computer project. One, we have to choose only one computer project. Okay. So we have a three list. So one consists of 13 possible projects and 5 possible projects and 9 possible projects. Let this be N1, N2 and N2. And no project is on more than one list. So we need to select only one project, not more than one. So how many students can choose a computer project? How many possible chances they are having to select? Right? So we have to sum all the three. So 13 plus 5 plus 9. So which is equal to 27, right? So we have 13 plus 5 plus 9. Total we are having 27 projects and we need to select one from this. So we have 27 possible ways to select a computer project. Okay. Okay, see the next problem, Nana. P1 problem. A code word consists of two distinct English alphabets followed by two distinct numbers between 1 and 9. So total we have to select a code word. See here is given an example. For example, the code word should be like this. Okay, right. So we have a 4-letter word. Okay, the code word consists of two distinct, means repetition is not allowed. Distinct means all should be different. Okay, so these first two should be of alphabets and the next two should be of numbers. Okay, so how many alphabets we are having? Okay, so we are having 26 and how many numbers? 1 to 9. Yes, Monica is right. The first have a so given what is given? How many such code words are there? So how many code words are there in the sense? The first alphabet, how many chances we are having? 26, right? So we are having the first to fill right 26 into 25 kada 24 ekkada nunchi vachindi 26 lo 1, if you remove 1 we have 25, right, and this is 9 and this is 8. So simply 26 into 25 into 9 into 8. So what is the answer? Right, 46, 800, 46,800 is equal to 46,800. Okay, now what is the second question? See, how many such code words end with an even integer? Okay, so let's see. So we need to select four letter code word, and this should be an even. So if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? Right. See. Okay, the next question. It is given that even should end with an even integer. So how many even numbers we are having? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. So first of all let us start with 2. So we fix here 2. 2 is fixed. Okay now. Right. Now in 9 numbers, one number is fixed. So one number is removed. The before box have how many chances to fill is 9 minus 1. So we have 8 chances. Right. Okay. 1 second. Don't get confused. Let me say. So let me say I have kept 2 here. Means one number is fixed here. Right. And we have 8 numbers to be filled the before box, and this we have alphabets, right? So this is 26 and let this be 25 plus 2 is completed. So next we have to fill the end with integer, even integer 4, right? So one number is fixed here. So before we have 9 minus 1, so we have 8 numbers and we have here 26, here 25. Nana, is it clear? And next we have a chance to fill the end with 6 number, means one number is fixed and we have 8 numbers to have a possible chances to fill the before digit, and here 26 and here 25. Again plus the last, right, we have 8. So let us fix 8 here, means 1, 9 minus 1 again, 8, sorry, 26 and 25. So if I write, so if I write all, how we do get is 26 into 25 into 8 into 1 plus 26 into 25 into 8 into 1 plus 26 into 25 into 8 into 1 plus 26 into 25 into 8 into 1. Sorry, 1. Or simply 4 times of 26, 25, 8 and 1 is equal to. Now the problem is clear for everyone. Yeah, it's 20,800, right? $83,200. Girivardan 26 into 25 into 8 into 4. రైట్ సురేష్, అలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. So where we have to use product rule, where we have to use sum rule, little bit elaborately explain you. So which one is okay, you can solve in that way. Okay, now this is clear for everyone? The problem is clear for everyone? Okay, Nana, see the next one. Nana, is it clear? The P1 problem, P1B problem is clear for everyone? Okay, Nana, okay, I'm seeing. Nana, is presentation visible? Vardhan? Joshna? Right. Okay, now see the next question. How many 3-digit even numbers? So we need a 3-digit. So let us write 3-digit even number can be formed by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many even numbers we are having here? Okay, 2. So 2 comma 4. So let us first fix with 2. So we need a 3-digit. Let us fix the last digit with 2. Means one number is fixed here. Total we are having 5. Right? If 1 is fixed, we have a chance to fill the previous box with 4 and the previous box with 3. Why? Because without repetition. Right? Plus, and we have last number to be fixed with 4. So one number is gone here. So we have 4 numbers to fix in the previous box, and in the previous we have 3. So the answer becomes 3 into 4 into 1 plus 3 into 4 into 1, or simply 3 into 4 into 1 into 2. So total we have 24 possible ways to fill. Right? So is it clear for everybody? Okay, see the P3 problem. In forming 5-letter words with distinct letters. So we need to form a 5-letter. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need a 5-letter word, 5 distinct letters using the word equations. So let us write equations. So total how many letters are there? So we have here 9, right? Right. So what is the first question? How many consist only vowels? So how many vowels we are having here, Nana? A, E, I,
Five, ma'am.
O, U. So total we have 5 vowels and 4 consonants, right? Right. So total we are having 5 ovals. So this is a oval, this should be oval, this should be oval, this also oval and this also oval. So total we are having 5. The first box have a chance of selecting 5. So repetition is not allowed. So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So total how many possible ways to select only and so see the second one B. How many contain all consonants? So all consonants. How many consonants we are having here? 4 consonants. But we need a 5-letter word. Please don't forget. So given right 5-letter word, and we have only 4 consonants. So the other should be filled with a vowel. See like this consonant, 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 and this is definitely with a vowel. So when we see, maybe this portion may over, this portion may, let me write, plus, see some other will say, why I have to take only the last portion over. So the other will say, Wi-Fi on this. Wi-Fi on this. 4 consonants. The vowel position can be changed from first position to the last position. So total we can have a chances of vowel position 5, right? Okay, now let's see what happens. So total 4 consonants we are having. So here we have 4 consonants. The next position 3, 2 and 1, and we have 5 ovals. All the 5 have a chance to select. So next, coming to the next, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and here we have a oval. 4, 3, 2, 1 and a oval. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. 5 ovals, and coming to consonants 4, 3, 2, 1. Nana, is the problem clear? Nana, oval plus why we have to change this? So see, I have a chance to write a oval here or here or here or here or here. So total 5 places. I can write any of the one place. If I write in this place, the number of possible chances for the rest consonants is this. If I write here, this will be another word. If I write here, this will be another word. So total the word is a 5-letter word, and we are having only 4 consonants. The other definitely should be filled with a vowel. So vowel has a chance to write in the first box, second box, third box, fourth box and fifth box. Priti, is it clear? So the answer becomes 4 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the first place we have 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 1 plus 4 600. Okay, let me see. I don't know exactly. Let me see and tell you. Plus 4 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus, right, 600 is the right answer. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, the answer is 600, right? Now the problem is clear, right? Okay, see what is the third one, Nana? See the third one. How many begin with E and end in S? Okay. Let us solve the third one. See. So we have a 5-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first should start with E and the last should end with S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So total we are having 9 words. in these 9 words, already 2 are fixed. We should not change that 2. So 2 letters are removed. So we have totally 7 letters, and the box, second box, have a chance to fill all the 7, 6 and 5. So 7 into 6 into 5, 30 to 10. Is it right? Okay. Is it clear for everyone? एक ही scroll చేయండి. Okay, once again the C one. Okay. Okay. Now see, the problem is given that the word should start with E and end with yes. So here E is fixed. So here E is fixed. Here we are fixing a S. Swati. So total in the equations word S is fixed and E is fixed. So we cannot use again these two. So total how many letters we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from total 9 we are removing 2. So we have 7 letters to select all the 3 boxes, or having a chances to select all the 3 boxes. The first box we have 7 letters to select, and the second box 6 letters to select, and the next box 5 letters to select. So here this E is 1 letter, S is 1 letter, or simply 1 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 1. Swati, is it clear? Okay, and okay, the other want to Chandrika, you want me to go to ye. Okay, this is a problem. How many consist only vowels? Okay. Okay, let's go with the P4 problem. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 which have exactly one of their digit as 7? So read it clearly, Nana. Exactly one of their digits. So don't forget this, exactly only one of their digits. So we need how many numbers are there. So can we say we have to take 3-letter word? 100 nunchi 1000 of 1000 4-letter limit, and from 100 to 999 the number is 3 digit. ఓకేనా నాన్న 3 డిజిట్ లెటర్స్ లో కనీసం exactly on one of their digit. So only one digit should be filled with 7. So let me say the first box is filled with 7 what లేదా లాస్ట్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిన అంటే ఎలా ఉండాలి మనకి నెంబర్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి 777 ఉండకూడదు 107 207 173 174 179 701 702 ఇలా ఉండాలి మన నెంబర్స్ ఓకే సరే లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ నుంచి వద్దామా సో లెట్ us fix 7 here first of all సో 7 ఫిక్స్ చేస్తే టోటల్ ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న 0 to 9 తీసుకుంటాం ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 0 ఉండొచ్చు కాబట్టి అర్థమైందా సో 1 to 9 కాదు 0 to 9 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు టోటల్ 10 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ప్లీజ్ లిజన్ దిస్ 10 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి 10 నెంబర్స్ లో 7 వెళ్ళిపోయి సో మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి 9 ఉంటాయి సో మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి నాన్న 9 ఉంటాయి సో 9 ఉన్నప్పుడు సో దీని ముందు పొజిషన్ ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ తో ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు 9 నెంబర్స్ తో ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు ఓకే సో 9 అండ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ వన్ 8 రైట్ సో is it clear right now we go with the previous position సో ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో 7 ని ఫిక్స్ చేస్తాం సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో 7 ని ఫిక్స్ చేసినప్పుడు 10 నెంబర్స్ 10 లో ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతే 9 ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది 7 అనేది వెళ్ళిపోతే టోటల్ 9 ఉంటాయి సో ఇక్కడ 9 తీసుకో ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 9 తీసుకుంటే 0 ఒకవేళ 0 అని ఇక్కడ మనం రాస్తే అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది 0 7 1 ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు 0 which is not a 3-letter word so please don't write even though the answer is right please don't write 9 here. So we write 9 at the last position. So 9 వెళ్ళిపోయాక 9 లోంచి ఇక్కడ 1 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 8 and coming to the first position లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా 0 ఉండకూడదు సో we say now ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో 7 ని ఫిక్స్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు రైట్ సో 10 లో నుంచి 7 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది సో సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇక్కడ 9 10 లోంచి 1 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 9 ఇక్కడ కూడా 9 ఎందుకని ప్లీజ్ లిజన్ సి ఇక్కడేమో 8 రాసాము ఇక్కడేమో 9 రాసాము ఎందుకని లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ నాన్న ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో 0 నెంబర్ ఉండకూడదు కాబట్టి 0 తీసేస్తాం కాబట్టి 8 అర్థమైందా 9 ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ 9 రావాలి కానీ 9 లో 0 ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 0 తీసేసి వి రైట్ 8 అండ్ ద సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ ఆల్సో ద సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా 9 రాయకుండా 8 ఎందుకు రాస్తాం కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లో 0 ఉండకూడదు కాబట్టి 0 తీసేసి 8 అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు 7 ఫిక్స్ చేసాం కాబట్టి 9 into 9 సో The answer becomes first to last question 8 into 9 into 1 plus 8 into 1 into 9 plus 1 into 9 into 9. So the answer, what is the final answer? Right, 225. So 225 is the right answer. Nana, you want me to continue? నా ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్ లో 7 ని ఫిక్స్ చేసామా, అంటే 7 ఉంటది, 0 ఉండదు. కాబట్టి 10 లో 1 వెళ్ళిపోతే 9 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో 9 నెంబర్స్ కి సెకండ్ బాక్స్ లో ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. వై? బికాస్ 0 ఉండొచ్చు కాబట్టి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది 700, 701, 702. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ నెంబర్ వేర్ ఇట్ కన్సిస్ట్ 7 in hundreds ప్లస్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 9 నెంబర్స్ కి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా 9 నెంబర్స్ కి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. మనీ, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ another example. 711, this also a number. 722 where 2 numbers are repeated. సో ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు so we say all the 9 into 9. ఏంటి వద్దా క్లాస్ ఇంకా? అదే క్లాస్ మన క్లాస్ తీసుకోవాలా వద్దా? యు వాంట్? If you want, yes. If you don't want, no. So what about S3? I think S3 need a class. So S4 they don't want, and as well as F18 also they don't want. Next iPhone map. Tomorrow do you have any leisure, Nana? Tomorrow any slot is leisure for you? All the 3 classes? Okay, Nana. So everyone can leave. I will upload the attendance within 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, bye. Thank you. వర్ధన్ అసలు ఎప్పుడు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వో? Yesterday I have shared permutation and combinations and 1.8. Okay. Okay, I will share this one also right now. Okay, thank you and bye.